Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 Module 10 End of Module Project 1. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Setup. Open the provided Excel file, save it with a new name, and ensure Power Pivot and Developer tabs are enabled. Step 2. Import and transform data. Use Power Query to import education and population data from external files. For education data, remove unnecessary rows and columns, and for population data, filter for the top 10 populated counties. Step 3. Create pivot tables. Use Power Pivot to add data to the data model. Create a pivot table comparing population, area, and high school completion rates. Create another pivot table comparing population, age, and median income. Step 4. Data relationships. Establish a relationship between the population and education tables using the GeoID column. Step 5. Data formatting and filtering. Format data, add labels, and filter for high-income populations and high school graduates. Step 6. Create a measure. Calculate population density by dividing population by area in the pivot table. Step 7. Macros and links. Record a macro to insert contact info, and create hyperlinks to various sheets and external data.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309 655268, or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.